partner of Mohammed. We came from Ishik Soran International School, and we are here to present a brief explanation about artificial intelligence. Here are the topics that we are going to be covering today. First is, what is AI? Second, examples of AI. The third is, what problems can AI solve? And the fourth one is, disadvantages of AI. And lastly but not least, how can we use AI responsibly? Medical diagnosis. For medical records, it helps your medical records to be much more safer and secure. The third one is research. Research is for finding data. For example, you're using a website and you have a school project. You'll use social media, for example, let's say Google, and you can find your data about the project that you have. The last one is transportation. Transportation is for self-driving cars, such as a Tesla. It can